Are you tired of dealing with dry, cracked, or irritated skin? Your skin deserves expert care that works when you need it most. Meet Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy Skin Protectant, the dermatologist-recommended solution trusted by millions to restore and protect dry, damaged skin. Unlike ordinary lotions that simply sit on the surface, Aquaphor creates a protective barrier that helps lock in your skin's natural moisture, allowing it to heal while protecting it from further dryness. Whether you're struggling with rough hands, cracked heels, dry elbows, chapped lips, or irritated skin, Aquaphor is designed to deliver long-lasting relief. Its unique formula is fragrance-free, preservative-free, and gentle enough for sensitive skin. It's perfect for everyday use by adults and children alike. From harsh winter weather to everyday skin irritation, Aquaphor provides the advanced care your skin needs to feel soft, smooth, and healthy again. The convenient 7-ounce tube is easy to keep at home, in your office, or in your travel bag, so effective skin protection is always within reach. Just apply a small amount to the affected area whenever your skin needs extra moisture and protection. Thousands of satisfied users rely on Aquaphor every day because it doesn't just moisturize, it helps support your skin's natural healing process. That's why it's a favorite among dermatologists, healthcare professionals, and families around the world. If you're ready to say goodbye to dry, uncomfortable skin and enjoy healthier-looking skin every day, it's time to experience the difference for yourself. Click the link below to order your Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy Skin Protectant today and give your skin the advanced care it deserves. Don't wait healthy. Hydrated skin starts with Aquaphor.